you doing, Quinn? Are you laughing at something? You're just so happy. You've been squealing stuff. Oh, really? Yeah, like that. Is that an exciting toy? I guess so. So much happier today. I know, yesterday you didn't feel too good, so you got your shots. But today you've been talking and squealing and everything. Oh, really? Mm-hmm. I see you. I see you. You're silly. What's so funny about chewing on that, huh? What's so funny? You were so silly.